It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that.
Guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with this company, Junoda. I'm pretty excited to try them out. It's my first time, working with Junoda hair. So this is a packaging. It says, "Feel the magic of Junoda hair." All right. So firstly, I got this bag with some goodies, and obviously this is the bag with the wig. So that's everything. Before I get into the bag with the wig, let's see what I got in this little goodie bag. So firstly, I'm seeing a wig cap, got an edge brush and comb. I got a really nice pair of lashes. They're not doing too much. Looks really nice. Also, I got like a headband that's branded, or a headscarf branded Junoda. All right, so for today's wig, I got a beautiful ginger, like 22-inch lace closure wig. So this is a beautiful 4x4 lace closure wig. It has a total of 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and it looks pretty nice. Oh, it even came with the baby hairs curved and done and everything. It's laying really flat in the top. I really do like that. It's a straight texture, as you can see, and as I said before, it's 22 inches long. In terms of the density, I'm going to be sure to put that in my description box to be accurate. It feels nice and thick and well constructed. I'm not getting any shedding, so that's a good sign. Even though it's processed, usually I do get a few strands from my processed, like when it's colored, those type of wigs, but I'm not getting anything so far. 1 strand down. Yeah, so very minimal shedding. Looking good. It's looking really good. It's a medium cap size, by the way, and I'm always happy for these colored wigs. Really happy. And you don't know, say, the installation for closure wigs are always a shorter time to install, so we're gonna go ahead and just jump into that. I must say, guys, the texture of the hair feels really good. Like, it feels nice and silky right out of the bag. Sometimes it can have more of, like, when it's so processed, it can have like a, what would you say, more of a like coarser feel, but this does feel silky, so I really do like that. It's really nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my Got2b, and I'm basically going to spray that along the lace portion here. Looks so good. And basically just start laying it.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You couldn't be with anyone. I couldn't be with anyone. You're you and me. You're you and me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're you and me. You're you and me. You could be around, but
That was super easy to just lay the mid portion, because it's not like the entire hairline. Is so easy and quick. So once I cut away that, the excess lace here, like the piece that is barely lifted, it needs to like melt back in. So I usually just go over back, like with the Got2b, to just camouflage that portion.
you could be with anyone.
further flatten the top with my flyaway tamer, and it's looking good. I cannot complain. The lace melted in pretty nicely. Like, it looks really good. I can't wait to go ahead and go over this with my flat iron, because I can already see that it's not gonna be much to just flat iron it and get it bone straight. It's really like a really nice quality. So I'm just gonna go through the entire wig with my flat iron. It's laying so flat. I'm loving it. It's looking really good. So that's what I'm gonna do.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. Said, don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me,
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but
you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
you could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
Guys, as you can see, I went ahead and I gave it some layers. It looks so good. I have to tell you, I'm gonna rate this like the top ginger wig, or I'd say my favorite ginger wig, straight ginger wig that I've received so far. It's very minimal shading. It lays super flat, super flat. Like, it's really gorgeous, and the luster is really nice. It flows really well. It looks like a lace front, but it's only a closure, a 4x4 at that. It's really nice. I give it a 10. Definitely would recommend if you're looking for some bomb ginger hair. This is it. Closure, yeah. Definitely more inexpensive than a regular lace front, and looks really good, really nice. So I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so go ahead, check that out. Check out the direct link for the wig if you're interested in getting it for yourself. Shout out to Junoda Wig once more for sponsoring today's video. It's a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. So yeah, go ahead and check that out. So don't forget to go ahead and check me out on my vlog channel as well, PETITE-SUE TV. Your girl uploads over there every single week. I'm super consistent, and yeah, that's where you can catch me, you know, doing regular lifestyle stuff, you know. It's a vibe. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out today's wig look, and